How to practice online quizzes with Merit Box? Step 1. Launch the Merit Box app on your device. Step 2. Log in using your ID and password. Step 3. Navigate to the Community section from the menu. Step 4. Select your class, chapter and subject you wish to practice. Step 5. Click on Quiz and choose any available quiz. You can now start testing your knowledge as shown. Further, check the leaderboard here to compete with other students and assess your ranking. You are now ready to test your knowledge with online quizzes. If you require further assistance, contact elearning at goyal-books.com.